May konting kabastusan yung resolution because I saw, assuming correct, I don't like making assumptions, pero assuming correct yung sinabi ni Senator Lacson that he will clarify ang point niya pag na-exhaust na lahat ng legal remedies. First and foremost, we've said that paulit-ulit-ulit. Para na kaming sirang plaka. Di ba? Na paulit-ulit that senators, just like any individual, can exhaust and should be given the ability to exhaust all legal remedies. And then pag na-exhaust lahat, then of course we will surrender them. Usually the senators themselves surrender themselves and we will assist. Put it like this, kung meron tayong hearing, pinipilit namin kayong ilagay yung source nyo. And then we held you in contempt. Tapos kayo'y kinustody ng editor nyo. At sinabi ng editor, hindi, merong karapatan ang reporter, wag sabihin kung sino source niya. What will you do? You'll go to court. Pero pag umabot hanggang Supreme Court yan, at dumating sa inyo na may warrant na legal, legitimate from a Philippine court at wala nang ibang usapan pa, ang editor mismo magsasabi sa inyo, we will protect your rights, dadalhin ka, we'll make sure you're safe, but kailangan mo nang sumama. So walang difference dito. Sila ang nagpapalaki ng issue. So kahapon, nagsalita si Senator Pangilinan kung pwedeng hindi na pag-usapan yon, hindi pwede. In fact, baka malipat ito from the Committee on Rules and Public Order to the Committee on Ethics kasi so far lumalabas, it was really a plot to stop him from coming here. Even the NBI may statement ngayon na dun sa former majority, maayos sana yung pag-aresto. Hindi yun ang tradisyon sa Senado. So although the Senate President said his piece yesterday, so far ang sinasabi ng dating Sergeant at Arms at ng NBI Director is that nakita niya yung warrant at coordinated sa kanya. Kaya makikita niyo po, nakakalat ang mga agents all over the Senate yesterday. This is the first time that happened. Hindi po excuse yung akala mo hindi dadating. Pwede ba yun, akala mo hindi dadating? Pag may dumating dito, may dalang warrant. Kung may dumating dito, may dalang warrant for Senator Soto, for my sister, for Senator Jinggoy. Di ba? I will tell them, we will assist you. You can serve it. Oh, if the senator claims that he was denied due process, we'll allow him to file whatever sa court. Pag na-exhaust na yon at hindi, at meron pa rin na warrant of arrest, this is a foreign warrant of arrest. We don't even know if it's valid or hindi.
But how will you be treating this, sir? So from the opposition, is it up for debates later? Will you be voting, sir?
We're the majority, sorry. The new majority, I'm so used to calling ourselves the minority, will meet on it. But even if 24 signed, that doesn't mean we will agenda it right away. Diba? But sa akin yon, ang pakiusap ko lang, ako, I tried my best, di ba? Nakita niyo naman speech ko, yung pakiusap ko yesterday. This is not the first attempt na hulihin siya or first attempt na to take over the majority. Pero parating may foul na ginagawa eh. Hindi na statesman's like di ba? They could have asked us, they could have saw us, the five, and asked, ano bang plano? They could talk to us. They could talk to Senator Bato. Nandiyan siya. Hanggang gabi, nandito kami. Hindi nga natutulog yung tao. Magpa-file ka ng resolution. Di ba? Ano yan? Pang politika, yung ginagalit nila, base nila.
Sir, you mentioned na mapupunta to sa ethics. Who will
No, I said possible if the investigation shows that senators plotted to keep another senator from attending the session. That's a criminal offense. Di ba? I agree with everyone who's saying na mabigat ang hinaharap natin sa ekonomiya natin. Inflation is so high. Farmers, logistics, lahat ng transport, hindi lang to tricycle, taxi, jeepney, bus drivers, including yung mga naghahatid ng pagkain to pati yung mga multinational na it's not easy to import, let's say, medicine, then get it to all the islands of the Philippines. Doble, triple yung logistics mo noon dahil gasolina o crudo or ano din ang gamit ng mga vapor. Tapos yung diesel din ang gamit ng mga truck. So we want to shift to that. But sila ang stuck sa hindi na sila majority. We'll discuss muna with the new majority. But bunsod na nga ng aking damdamin kanina yon nung nakita ko lahat ng pulis. 'Di ba? Kawawa naman yung pulis. They should be manning their post. They should be at least not exposed sa araw, bringing those heavy gears, 'di ba? Pero we're creating this tense situation eh.
Are they trying to reclaim the leadership by
lumalabas ba na may
taking
active
away
plot
Senator
para
Bato?
arestuhin si Senator Bato nung Monday? May active plot from colleagues
Eh,
na arrest.
yun ang sinasabi ng NBI eh, na alam at ang sinabi hulihin siya.
Were you aware also? Because sabi ni Senator Pete, Cayetano siblings were apparently aware. Kaya nandun daw sa sasakyan ninyo.
Yeah, I think my sister will speak about that. Ako, natural, aware ako. Nagsalita ako doon at sinabi ko that he's coming into the building. Kaya sila gulat na gulat dahil every time na magpapalit, gumagawa ng paraan na takutin siya na huwag pumunta dito. Saan kayo nakakita? Nung wala dito, no work, no pay, nasaan ka, magpakita ka, mag-resign ka na lang kung ayaw. Nung nagpakita, huhulihin mo. Ngayon na nandito na, gusto mo namang isuko.
Pero sir, nakita nyo ba so far sa preliminary investigation nyo na may active plot from your
I don't wanna go beyond what I said already because I'm going to meet the majority. I'm going to look at all the reports. Basically, inulit ko lang yung sinabi ko ngayon, yung sinabi ko sa podium yesterday, di ba? Nung nagsalita si Senator Soto, sabi niya ganito ganyan, binasa ko yung sinabi ng Sergeant at Arms. Sabi ng Sergeant at Arms, hindi. Not only 7 a.m., 2 p.m. pinakita pa rin sa inyo. 'Di ba? Sinabi po ng NBI, sir, makakapasok ba lahat ng agents, nandiyan ba silang lahat kung hindi pa pumayag si SP? Pumayag si SP. So, hanggang dun lang muna ako, 'di ba? I'm just saying that we're trying to shift to the bigger picture, which is the spiritual, financial, economic, social well-being of our country, not only the political.